Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. In today's video, we will see how you will get notifications LED in an smartphone. So let's get into the video. First, install the Notify Buddy app from the Android Play Store. Now after opening the app, tap on the first permission tab and give the app permission. Then hit back. You will see the second permission tab give overlays permission by tapping on the second tab and then selecting the Notify Buddy app. Again hit back and remove the app from battery optimization. After that, hit next. After that, select from which app you want to get notifications. You can also select the notifications ring color. There are plenty of options from choosing from. After that, head over to the settings section. There are lots of premium options. You can turn the premium settings for a day by watching the ad. Now, set the size and logo for notifications LED, and you will be good to go. There is plenty of great logos to choose from. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.